Definite integral. So main thing is what is definite integral. That is the most important thing. We should try to understand the definite integral. I have told you earlier also that integral can be distinguished in two parts, divided into two parts. One is indefinite integral, which we have done before the first term examination, and the second part is definite integral, which we need to start now. So definite means now it will be having some boundaries, some conditions, some limits it will be having. So that is said as definite integral. In this first part is limit of a sum method. Exactly, this is not in the syllabus right now. They have not kept it in the syllabus, so we are not going to study right now, but one question at least I'll teach you in the coming days. So limit of sum method we are not going to do. Now a very simple and easy question I'm taking for the definite integral. It will make you understand little more better. See, first of all, exactly what is definite integral. Like there is any integral given us from the limit a to b, for the limit a to b fx dx. This is given to us. What it tells us, what it is exactly. So let us try to understand it with the help of a graph. Like fx has graph like this, and limit a to b we are going. So a is this and b is this. Now when you are talking about definite integral, this teaches us to calculate the area, under the curve for the given limit, So definite integral means we are going to calculate the area under the curve, under the graph, for the definite limit. Means like right now they are saying from a to b, so we are calculating the area under the curve from the point a to the point b. This is the thing. Now when we will integrate fx, integration of any function is another function gx, and we will put the limit a to b. This will be giving us gb. Upper limit first of all we will put, then lower limit ga we are going to put. So like this way we will be going to solve the problem. Now we are taking one question to make you understand better, but main thing you must remember, next chapter is this only, that calculating the area under the curve, area bounded, we will be going to say that. So at that time we are going to do this part only. So now a question I'm taking that will make you understand little more better. Like any integral is given from the limit 0 to 1 x square dx. Now when we need to integrate, see, the integration of x square, will be x to power 2 plus 1, x to power n has got formula, x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, 0 to 1. So it will be 1 by 3, 1 to power 3 minus 0 to power 3, that is 1 by 3. Indefinite integral will not put constant of integration. See, indefinite integral constant of integration C is not required. Must take care of this thing. Constant of integration C is not required. Now, another example I'm taking, this will make you understand little more better. I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now cos square x, sin square x and cos square x integration we cannot do. So what we are supposed to do will be going to convert it into some ways where we will not be having powers to the sine or cosine. So cos 2 theta 1 identity we are going to apply. We know that cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So with this identity cos square x we will put. So it will be 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x plus 1 upon 2 dx. We can also write it as 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x by 2 dx plus 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. Now integral of cos 2x will be sine 2x by 2 for the limit 0 to pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx. 1 will be x 0 to pi by 2. It will become 1 by 4 sine 2 pi by 2 minus sine 0 plus 1 by 2 pi by 2 minus 0. Now sine pi will be having value 0. Sine 0 is 0 minus, sorry, plus pi by 4. So the answer is coming pi by 4. So I suppose now with this much you are able to understand that how to calculate the definite integral. But with one or two questions we are not able to understand everything. In the coming question there will be many more things, but still you could go for the questions now. One very easy question I'm taking. Integral 1 upon x dx. Okay, I'm taking x plus 1. 0 to 1. So its integral will be log mod x plus 1 for the limit 0 to 1. Let us put log 1 plus 1 minus log 0 plus 1. Log 2 minus log 1. We know that log 1 is 0. Otherwise, log a minus log b, log a upon b. So the basic concepts also always we must be able to remember. Then only we will be able to solve many questions. But it's a wonderful question, easy and concept giving question. Same ways we can move forward also with some more questions. Now one question I'm writing, you must try to solve this first, otherwise I'll solve it. 1 to 2, 2 upon 4x square minus 1 dx. Try to solve this question.